ఓకేనా. ఫిజికల్ పారామీటర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, లైక్ పిహెచ్ ఈసీ అవి నేను చెప్తాను. సో ఇవి ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ అనమాట మెయిన్ అది.
So good morning students. My name is T.S. Pawar. Okay. I am scientist B and posted in Hyderabad. So for just brief I will ask, you are all geology student, right? From MSc or BSc? Basics of geology I explain. So while lecture which you are attending, you might have known that there are different types of well. Bore well is there, dug well is there, tube well is there. So you know the difference between dug well, bore well, right? Dug well is open well, bavi, which we call in Telugu. So and this is bore well. Bore well is of small diameter of 6 to 10 inches, depends on size, and it is much deeper as compared to dug well. Generally our dug well is up to 30 feet, 40 feet, right? But this may go up to 800 feet depending on how water level is shallow or deep. So as a hydrogeologist or as a geologist, if we want to study any area, the first thing we have to do is well inventory. Okay, so what is well inventory? Well inventory is a study where without any drilling any hole, without drilling any bore well, we get to know some basic information about that area, right? So what we want to know as a hydrogeologist or as a geologist, we want to know that how much deeper the water is there. Okay, so in while formation, while constructing the well, it is very important to know that what is the thickness of soil. At some places it may be 4 meter, at some places there is no soil, there is directly rocky soil. Okay, then afterwards it is weathered zone. Weathered zone means a type of country rock which has altered due to rainfall and groundwater. And afterwards there is fractured zone. That means a massive rock. Massive means it is not altered with any chemical activities but has fractures. And below that it is massive granite. Okay, massive rock. So in that rock there is no fractures, no chemical alteration. It is the original country rock, right? So when we visit any village or any mandal or any district, if you want to know about the local conditions of groundwater, we have to conduct well inventory. So we will visit any well. So this is our well, right? So this well has any owner, right? If you are visiting any village, it may be of some farmer or any household. So we have to ask him certain questions from which we can infer what is our scientific thing about this. So we will ask him about when this well was constructed. So he will tell कि 5 years ago or now, right? So we will ask him कि कितना केसिंग लगा था. केसिंग मतलब ये जो प्लास्टिक का है ना, वो कितना पाइप उसने डाला था. So कोई 3 पाइप डालता है, कोई 6 डालता है, right? So what is the purpose of this pipe? So this pipe is installed because whatever our topsoil is there, right? Topsoil and weathered zone, it should not collapse inside the well, because if it collapse, our well will become closed. So to avoid this, we use the casing. Okay. So by getting the depth of casing, kitna pipe dala means how many pipes. One pipe generally which farmer uses is of 6 feet. Okay. 10 feet.
20 feet.
20 feet. So pipe మొత్తం లెంత్
20 feet ఉంటుంది.
ఫార్మర్ మనకి ఏం చెప్తారు, 3 అన్నారు 3 అన్నారు అనుకో, 3 into 20 60 feet కన్వర్టింగ్ టు మీటర్ అన్నమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 pipes of casing. So as sir said, 3 into 20, that is 60 feet. So 60 feet is our weathered thickness, or it is collapsible formation. To avoid that collapsible formation, we have installed this casing. Okay. So after that casing, we will ask him at what depth he has encountered the water, है ना. So अलग अलग जगह का अलग अलग आता है. सम कोई फार्मर का बहुत ऊपर आ जाता है पानी, 40 फीट पे आ जाता है. किसी फार्मर का 200 फीट आने के बाद भी नहीं आता. कोई फार्मर का 3 अलग अलग जगह आता है. हम बोलते हैं कि हाँ 90 feet. So we have to note. So we have to note that information at what depth our water was encountered while drilling. So what we get to know is कि उस area में the water bearing fracture is at that particular depth where water was encountered.
So without drilling any borehole at our own expenses, we get to know the regional idea of that area, right? So these are the certain information which we have to note in our field diary. The more intense or the more borehole we will drill, the more accurate our data will be, right? So depending on our scale, like if we want to work only on one village, then we have to collect around 10-20 data. If we have to collect from any one block or any one mandal, then from each village we will construct that, we will collect this data. So depending on purpose, we will do our well inventory. So for this particular well, we will do well inventory, right? So we will first note down the lat long. Lat long is latitude and longitude, which can be attained from our Google Maps. From Google Map, you will enable the location on. So you will pinpoint at that point. So you will get the latitude and longitude. Are you aware of this thing? That you know how to collect the lat long data? Okay. Those who want to know, then you can ask your colleagues, right?